Right, welcome to another RiderCamTV video, and today...
Hello!
It's a really special day, isn't it, Mark?
It is, apparently.
Why is it special?
You've told me, but I've forgotten. It's to do with subscribers,
yeah,
I know that.
We've hit 5,500 subscribers. And isn't that insanely amazing?
Yep, it is, because last time we did this giveaway thing, we didn't have that many people.
No, well that was for 3,000, wasn't it? Not so long ago. I never thought we'd get 3,000, let alone 5,500 subscribers. So I guess it's a video to say a massive, massive thank you to all of you guys and girls that watch our videos, comment on them, good and bad, and give us some feedback of how we're doing, because we are just two people that know nothing about bikes, that like talking about bikes and riding bikes.
Yep.
They are our life, aren't they, our bikes? We ride them all around the world, and it's just nice to share things from just an average, normal person's perspective, isn't it?
I was talking to somebody the other day about RiderCamTV, and he was asking me what we were doing, and I said exactly what you just said. I said, I couldn't tell you how many talks and miles per hour a bike will do. I said, but I can tell you whether a shopping bag will fit inside a pannier of sort of a different type of bike. I said, and that's the type of videos we're doing, honest videos, I think you could call them. And
we've had videos where we've been ridden bikes and in top speed at 60 miles an hour. They're kind of feel unstable, the engine wants to pull, and we've said about that because people that want to buy those bikes may well come across that issue and think that that is a problem with the bike. It's just real world stuff that we're... Well,
we've also had people saying, right, the bike's hard and all the rest of it, but we've got to look after our licences, and we depend on our licences, so, when we get the opportunity to do that, we will do, but we just like to give honest reviews.
Yeah, who knows, there may be track days ahead, there might be off-road courses to do, different things, who knows. Yeah, the world is our oyster, but it's thanks to all of you guys for having some, some commitment for our channel, where you have subscribed and you want to see our videos. It means a lot to me. I'm sure it means a lot to you.
Well, it's not about leadership, it's people have only ever followed us out of idle curiosity, I think.
But it is nice to think that just two really good mates just decided to put some stuff together on a video, because there are things that we've reviewed, that we've looked at videos online and looked at how you fit them and how you do them, and it just doesn't hit the spot that we wanted to with that tiny question we had that we had to work out ourselves. There are other people out there. It's just nice to put some videos together.
Obviously other YouTube channels are available.
Many
but they're not RiderCamTV. Anyway, on to the main event.
Hit that subscribe button.
Get on to the main event.
Yeah. Well, courtesy of our friends over at Quadlock, and their website is, I'll put it up here somewhere, quadlockcase.com. They were very kind and sent us some review units for handlebar mounts, wing mirror mounts, and a bicycle mount kit for a mobile phone. You would have seen the video last week on our review and how we fitted it and what we thought about it, but they very kindly said they don't want us to send it back, that they're quite happy for us to give them away to some lucky viewers.
Brilliant bits of kit. Like we keep saying, we're not sponsored by anybody, so to prove that, we're just going to give these away.
Yeah, because we use our bikes all day, every day long, normally, don't we?
Every day long? All day long?
You know what I mean, I've been tired. But when we're out riding and we're on tours, I can see where these would fit. Personally, for me, it doesn't fit for what I need, and I'd rather not keep a box and deprive somebody else of something that they can have. So they're all brand new. We have fitted them to the bike just so that we could do the video. We've put them all back in the box. They are 100% brand new, and check out their website quadlockcase.com and to see what sort of stuff they do. So how do people go about getting these? How do they win them, Mark?
They have to subscribe.
Yeah. Ding, number one.
And they have to tell us why they want them.
Ding, number two. That is it.
That's it, isn't it? It's really simple.
Because we tried on the 3,000 subscribers to get people to follow different social media, and it's really difficult to keep social media posts constant all the time. And we had some feedback, didn't we, for that competition, that some people found it really difficult, that they had to do one thing and another. And I've seen some YouTube channels lately that have got separate websites just for their competitions, and you can have various amounts of entries, and you've got to do this, you've got to do that, and it just gets cumbersome. And I've found myself not entering those competitions because of that. Not knocking them at all, but for us, we just want to keep things really simple. So, recap, subscribe, number one.
Tell us why you want one.
Tell us why you want one.
And we'll send it.
Yeah. And
we'll pick it randomly.
We will be picked random, and we'll give it until, what month are we now? We'll give it until the end of July, and then we will pick the winners and notify you on the next video or via social media. Social media is probably better, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
The reason we say that you need to subscribe is it's not just about us increasing subscriber base, we like to be honest, but we're unable to get hold of you if we don't know how to get hold of you, and we can message you through YouTube, but we can only do that if you're a subscriber.
Yep. Cool.
So
we have 2 mirror mounts.
Yeah, 2 lucky people there.
2 handlebar mounts.
2 lucky people there.
But only 1 bike mount.
1 lucky people.
And they will all fit on a motorcycle.
They will, as you would have seen last week.
Now you will have to buy, if you buy them, from boxes, hundreds of boxes.
You will have to buy
the bike cover and the poncho, as it's called, which is the waterproof cover that goes over the top. But you can get them from the website. But even so, you're still getting the main events free. And
they are. I know that you have. I have as well. We've had RAM mounts for this, RAM mounts for that. RAM mounts are very good because they're really versatile, aren't they? But this has got a specific function for the phone. And I've not seen something as good as that. And it's not because we've been paid to say that. We really haven't been paid to say anything. If we didn't like it, we'd tell you that we didn't like it. But I've not found something as secure and well made, well presented as this so far.
I do actually think a RAM mount might be usable with one of these as well. You know,
because it's got the same connection, isn't it?
Possibly. But you know, we haven't looked at that, so
but it's more,
I might be wrong.
More the connection where the phone goes on. It's you know, phones are not cheap these days, are they? And to have that sort of thing on the phone and give you the confidence that it's not going to come off when you're riding, I think it's a really, really good thing. But 5,500 subscribers.
Amazing.
Does that mean that we're YouTube sensations yet? As the tumbleweed rides.
So, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Tell us why you want one.
Tell us why you want one.
By the end of July, when you get back from your tour, your next tour, we'll make a decision. We'll send them to you.
Yeah.
And we're not going to restrict where we send them to, obviously.
No, anywhere in the world, we'll cover the postage. And yeah.
If you like us, subscribe. Tell us why one of these could be yours.
Yeah. See you in the next one.
See ya.